Hi, this is William. Today we're going to talk about the Google Pirate algorithm. So, how many algorithms does Google need to access website rankings? Try 5 of them for size. Google has released Panda, Penguin, Pirate, EMD, and Top Heavy since January of last year. You need to be aware of how these algorithms affect your site and understand each of them. So here's another article discussing Google's release of Pirate in August 2012. And Pirate was designed to target illegal use on websites that duplicate intellectual property, whether it's video or other media forms, commonly known as pirate sites. So Pirate and YouTube, when Google announced that it would start demoting websites that were repeatedly flagged for copyright violations, raised a very pertinent question. Does that mean Google will start demoting YouTube results as well? Well-known search engine lands Danny Sullivan did some terrific work trying to figure this out and discovered that Google has written a sort of get-out-of-jail-free card for Google's YouTube and other popular content sharing sites whose users frequently run afoul of copyright laws. A Google spokesman stated that although Google's new algorithms are treating YouTube like any other site in search rankings, the company did not expect this change to demote results for popular user-generated content sites, such as YouTube, Twitter, Tumblr, and Facebook. So how is this possible? Google won't go into specifics, but Sullivan says that the new algorithm automatically assesses various factors or signals to decide if a site with a high number of copyright infringement notices against it should also face a penalty. It's impossible to say how fair or unfair this system is without specifics on what factors it uses, but Sullivan says that he's seen enough to conclude the new algorithm penalty has been designed with a recipe that still gives YouTube, along with other popular sites, a likely escape. The RIAA take. The Recording Industry Association of America said that Google algorithm change to lower rankings of sites with high numbers of copyright infringing removal notices has no demonstrable impact on demoting sites with large amounts of piracy. The sites we analyzed, all which were serial infringers, put Google's Copyright Transparency Report were not demoted in any significant way in the search results and still managed to appear on page 1 of the search results over 98% of the time the search is conducted. The RIAA's report said the report concluded that pirate sites are much more likely to appear in top search rankings than are legitimate music sites. Whatever Google has done, it doesn't appear to be working, the report said. And Google announced the algorithm or signal changeover in August of 2012. At the time, a Google spokesman said that the primary reason for the move was to better the user experience in Google search to direct internet surfers to high-quality sites. The plan was not a result of any deal with the content industry, the spokesman said. So under the DMCA, search engines must remove links upon request by rights holders who tell the company links lead to infringing content. If Google doesn't remove the link, Google itself may be liable for infringement. Sites like 4Shared, AudioCo, BMP3, Downloads, MP3 Chief, MP3 Juices, MP3 Skull, and ZippyShare repeatedly showed in the top 10 search results, despite Google receiving more than 100,000 removal notices for each site, the RIAA report said. There does not appear to be any meaningful decrease in rankings of these sites since the demotion signal was implemented. In August, when the change was announced, we speculated that the move looked like it was designed to head off potential legislation, giving the Justice Department the power to seek court orders requiring search engines like Google to remove from search results websites the government declares to be rogue. Such a feature was included in the Top Online Piracy Act, which was defeated for altogether different reasons more than a year ago because the package also included tinkering with the DNS domain name system. In summary, that said, it makes no sense for Google to highly rank pirate sites to the detriment of its own business model, which is more than just online search. Google is a giant media company, and its marketplace called Google Play sells books, magazines, movies, and TV shows from the world's largest content producers. So is Google trying to protect their investments or actually trying to limit their competition? If you have any thoughts, please let me know. And that concludes the presentation on Google Pirate And this is William. We'll see you the next time.